Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to meaningfully connect your Roblox and Zepeto experiences. Many people wonder if you can directly play Roblox within Zepeto, and while that specific integration isn't available, there are many creative ways to bridge these two vibrant virtual worlds. We will explore how to bring your personal style and community engagement across both platforms, enhancing your overall digital journey. Get ready to explore new possibilities for your avatar and online interactions. You can begin by customizing your Zepeto avatar to embody the spirit of your favorite Roblox characters or game aesthetics. Zepeto offers an incredibly vast array of clothing, hairstyles, and accessories, allowing for nearly endless combinations. Think about recreating an outfit from an epic Roblox adventure, or designing a completely new look that would fit right into a popular Roblox game. Once your avatar is perfected, you can easily capture and share screenshots with your friends who play Roblox, sparking new conversations and creative ideas. A powerful way to connect these worlds is through content sharing and community engagement. You can capture stunning screenshots or short videos of your Zepeto avatar in various poses and settings, then share these within your Roblox social circles, perhaps on group walls or community forums. Imagine inspiring new Roblox builds by showcasing a unique Zepeto creation, or even using a Zepeto setting as a backdrop for a story you tell in Roblox. This cross-platform sharing fosters deeper connections with your friends, enriching your overall virtual experience. Consider using one platform to inspire your creations on the other. For instance, if you love building in Roblox, you can take design cues from its diverse game genres and apply them to your Zepeto world builds. Conversely, Zepeto's detailed item creation tools allow you to design virtual clothing or accessories that could easily be imagined within a Roblox game, perhaps with a blocky, familiar aesthetic. This cross-pollination of ideas can spark incredible creativity, pushing the boundaries of what you can achieve in both your Zepeto and Roblox projects, offering a fresh perspective.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.